Welcome to the Peterbilt Driver Tutorial video series. This series will explore the key features of the Model 567. This video series is intended to help you get the best performance from your 567, also providing you with tips for safe operation. The videos will cover the main vehicle internal and external features and their functions to help you become familiar with your 567. The 567 is an exceptionally versatile truck that's built with the durability, performance, and quality the vocational market demands. It's available in both a set forward and set back front axle configuration to provide drivers with maximum maneuverability for their application requirements. The aluminum cab structure provides long-lasting durability and comes standard to meet severe service requirements. Inside, the spacious cab offers a comfortable workspace for drivers. The Model 567 also offers single, tandem, or tridem drive axles and a variety of lift axles for added versatility. You can have a single or twin steer front drive. We're proud to offer our customers hundreds of options, allowing you to build a truly customized truck designed for your specific application. The truck you're driving may differ slightly from the one in this video series. And now, let's start exploring more about the Peterbilt Model 567.